makeup with me, Jigsaw edition. We're gonna remove all of this stuff. Things are getting serious. We're removing the bow tie. To remove, I'm gonna be using the Inky List Oat Cleansing Balm. I'm gonna start by dampening my face. I really like this stuff because it removes makeup, but it also really nourishes your skin, which makes it especially good for sensitive skin types. I really like how gentle it is because I put my skin through so much when I rip off my liquid latex and stuff, so it doesn't need to go through any more when I'm removing the actual makeup. The biggest thing for me is that I have tried a lot of cleansing balms and they literally all make my skin feel so heavy, oily, and greasy after, and this one does not do that. It's super lightweight. Love that. Usually when I'm done removing my makeup, my skin is so irritated. It's literally not like at all. It feels so soft, and you're done.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
Let's take this off. Thankfully, I didn't need contacts for this, but these were really annoying because the condensation, so I kept having to take them out and clean them. This was my first ever prosthetic piece that I made for myself, and I'm pretty proud of it. I'm literally just going to take it off in one piece because it's just one huge piece fitted to my face. Oh. Oh my god. I'm gonna hang her up. This was the quickest application ever because I had done such a big piece. I literally put my ball cap on and didn't even like blend out the edges or anything because I didn't need to. Ooh. We're gonna keep her like this.
Take off my makeup with me. Rhinestone Clown Edition. I literally glued on these press-on nails just to give y'all an ASMR. Like, I cannot tell y'all why this is the most satisfying feeling and sound to me. Alright, earrings. Now the lashes. Now the contacts. For the fun part. Oh my gosh. Ow. I've made the biggest mess on my floor. Ow. Okay. We are almost done. Ow. Oh, I still have eyebrows, thank God. Oh. This one's gonna hurt because I got it way too close to my eye. Oh, yeah. Ow. Oh. I hope y'all enjoyed this and watching me almost rip my skin off.
Ready? Okay. Hi, I'll be your guide. I'll be your GUIDE to the other side. Don't go to the netherworld. Netherworld? Did I say netherworld? Never mind. I'm the B to the double E, J, F, Q, and Jesus, I can't spell.
Okay, I'm gonna try my best to remove this with you guys. Hair up, as always, we're gonna be using oil. I cannot use latex. I know the latex method sounds fun, trust me. I know, but I can't do it, guys. I'm like allergic to it or something. So, lashes off first. Oh, feels so good. Feels so good. This contact, I'm gonna get that off real quick. In case you guys didn't know, you could take your contacts out with Q-tips. Let's see how quick I can do this. Wait, hold on. Let's see. Period, beach. Period. Okay. Neck. Oh my god, yes. Let's see if we can get it off over here. I think it's still. What? Oh my god, I love this stuff. Oh yeah. Okay. Just little pieces back here. Also, guys, it is 5:30 in the morning. Yeah, that's ridiculous. So today, this upcoming day, Tuesday, we're gonna start a bit early. We're not doing 8 p.m. We're gonna start like a freaking 4, 5 beach. Okay. But yeah, let's go and take these rhinestones off. Here's a little. Period. This is the oil that I go in with, guys. It's from Walmart. It's by Yuma by Sharon C Beauty. I'm going with a few pumps, literally a few freaking pumps. Rub, 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 and then just start. There you go, baby. Literally just start. There we go. A few more pumps.
My favorite part of the rhinestone makeup process has come, the removal. Let's all take it in, appreciate it for a second, because this is about 6 to 7 hours worth of work. Let's kick off this makeup removal with some ASMR. Okay, so where shall we start on this journey? Y'all, I gotta go with my cleansing balm technique. Last time y'all were so insistent on the liquid latex technique. Tried it, I found it very inefficient, and it fucked up my skin. Not for me, not for me. I almost forgot about my eyelashes. Ooh, they're on there today. Get off of me. While we're all here, please go like and comment on all the other videos. Put many hours into this. Ooh. Oh yeah. Yo, I swear I've tried every method. This method is just the quickest and most gentle on my skin. I mean, look at this. You can only be so fucking gentle. My floor looks disgusting right now. Ooh, it gets a little dicey around the eye. I am not having a good time right now. Yes, halfway done, halfway done. For those of you who ask, yes, it feels very claustrophobic. After like the 5th hour, you just surrender to it, you know? How has it been half an hour and it's not off yet? It's 4 a.m. Oh my god. Y'all always say, how do you do all that but your skin looks so good? Give it about 2 days. My skin will pay me back for what I just did to it. Okay, you know what? That's good enough. They're off. Yay, you get the point. I'm going to bed.
Take off this makeup with me. But first, I must remove these contacts, so trigger warning, eye pulling. If I can do it. I can see. Finally, and that burns. Something burns really bad. Okay, I don't know what happened with that eye. Maybe I scratched it, but it's feeling better, thank God. Okay, but now it's time to take off these lashes, and maybe I can still save them. I don't know. My boyfriend's gonna come home and see a whole pile of lashes and be like, what the hell? I have to kind of like look up here to see where they are. Okay, we're done. And of course I have to be at work in an hour, but I think I have just enough time to get this off, get ready, and eat some food, and go. All right, let's do it. Ooh. No, that is so nasty. And now my boyfriend's gonna come home and also see a whole pile of eyeballs. So good for him, because that's a lovely sight right there. Ew, that one was a little sweaty. Ew. Oh, we got a lot of stuff still left over right here. Oh. Traumatized. Now for this one's not gonna hurt. Okay, cool. Also, if you're like terrified of eyes, I am so sorry for this. Ew. Ugh. Like, my paper towel is literally quite terrifying right now. It's literally giving me bad vibes. Maybe I'm starting to develop a fear of eyes after this now. Ew. Ugh. The last melon. And if you don't know what that's from, my heart hurts for you. Okay, I'll just tell you. It's from Ice Age. Ew. Oh my god. If you weren't scared of eyes, well, now you are. Now let's try and remove some of this. Oh, I'm just going to scrape my face literally everywhere. I don't even care. All right, we are almost done, thank God. Oh my god, no, it's in my hair. The struggle is real today, y'all. But then again, I do it to myself. And y'all know when that hair's in that pony, it's bomb time. I'm in a silly, goofy mood today. The texture of this is quite exquisite. And make sure to go check out my YouTube and my Instagram. It would really mean a lot. Like, we're already besties, but like, we'll be like bigger besties. And instead of using my makeup remover pad, I'm going to use a paper towel to take off the rest of the scar wax, because you know what? I really don't want to ruin it. And now that I'm left looking like a greasy egg, I'm gonna go take off the rest of my makeup and get ready for work, so catch you later.
Take my Halloween makeup off of me. This look probably only took me maybe like an hour and 30 minutes, and I have a really big favor to ask you guys, so let's take off the contacts first. First, you know everything used is from an SFX kit in my bio, y'all already know that. So, let's take that out. Oof, feeling better. We're gonna take off the bear now. So y'all know I love Halloween, so wow. I'm entering inside this Halloween competition on Instagram. But I need y'all to help me out on Instagram, because it's a competition with who Instagram photo get the most likes. So I need everybody to go follow me on Instagram at Deshaun Moon. Ooh, wow. I'm very passionate about my makeup, so I would love you guys' support in helping me win. My Instagram is inside my TikTok bio, Deshaun. Comment if you made it to the end of the video for a follow back. I'm finna go wipe this off. Love you guys.